going to show you how to carve this ornamental mirror. It's got a simple corner leaf design. Now you'll see this design elsewhere on the site. You'll see a square version of it that I did with Rob Cosman, and a member's written in to ask us if we could show how we could adapt that design to a different project. Well, here's a mirror. The mirror itself I bought from a DIY place, and I've recessed it by hand. You could turn it, but I'll show you how to do it by hand in case you want a square mirror. Now this design here is very adaptable, and I want you to sort of see how it's built up with individual cuts. It looks quite impressive, but really it's fairly simple. The wood I'm using is Limewood. It's a light coloured wood because what you want to see are these the various lights and shadows of the cuts here, and you need a light wood to be able to show that darkness. Anyway, there it is. It's a great little weekend project, and I hope you enjoy it. Here's the mirror that I'm using. It's very thin, and it's got a bevel around the edge. This one is 8 inches across, which is about 200 millimeters. And we could just glue it straight onto our piece of wood like this, but I will show you how I'm going to reset it. But before I started on this part of the project, the wood itself, I did do some drawings. And I think this is always a good idea, so to sort of see where this might fit. So I worked out that I wanted my leaf pattern just here, 4 of them, and a little gap in between, which was half the distance of the bevel. And I was able to also work out here where I thought the centre line might come and make myself a little template. So with that, I can go straight to the wood and mark the whole thing out. This piece of wood is completely square, both corners, so I know that when I put the diagonal in, like so, across here, yes, try that again, this way, and here, that I will be right down the middle. So there's the middle, and I can also, while I'm at it, divide it this way. So that marks the centre of my project. Now from my drawing, I know that when the mirror sits in here, it is this radius. So I'm going to mark the radius of the mirror. And when we come to set the mirror in the wood a little bit, that's where it'll go. And if we don't, then that's where we'll glue it. So that's right. Now, I also know from my drawing that I allowed a little bit of space, which was half the distance of the bevel outside, half the width of the bevel rather. So something like that. And then, so this is now the edge of our carving, like so. And where this meets the line here, and here, this here is now one of our carvings. So we do this on all 4 sides. Next we need to draw where the ball is going to go. Now interestingly, if I was to put this halfway down this line, optically it looks too close to this top corner. So the ball actually comes a little bit nearer to the centre line here. You can mark that with dividers where you think it'll go, or you can just estimate how this is going to go along here like this and make yourself a template, and then when you draw that line in here, which is the centre line of the side leaves, you can see that's where the ball is going to go. So once you've got that mark here, you can certainly take that across to the others. So mark out this line here with the template or not. You've got a point here where the centre of the ball is. This is the line for the other leaf, comes along here. And then this is our area that we're going to carve. So here's a drawing out finished. The 4 corners for the carving, the circle for the mirror. The next step is to recess the mirror, and that's what we'll do next.